Court Cam's most dramatic moments of all time. Welcome to the heart-pounding realm of Court Cam's most dramatic moments of all time, where justice unfolds in riveting and unexpected ways. In the hallowed halls of the legal system, every trial is a theater of human emotions, ranging from raw despair to triumphant victory. This gripping series captures the essence of courtroom drama, revealing the most intense and jaw-dropping moments ever caught on camera. Brace yourself for a roller coaster ride through the highs and lows of the judicial process, as we present a curated collection of the most sensational and unforgettable incidents that unfolded before the watchful lens of Court Cam. In this electrifying journey, truth is stranger than fiction, and justice takes center stage in the most unpredictable ways imaginable. Welcome to the edge of your seat. This is Court Cam's ultimate showcase of justice in its most dramatic and unscripted form. Number 5. Franklin Williams. In a courtroom drama that unfolded in 2018 in Cleveland, Ohio, Franklin Williams found himself at the center of an extraordinary incident that garnered national attention. The presiding judge, John Russo, resorted to an unconventional method by ordering Williams' mouth to be taped shut during his sentencing. This drastic measure was a response to Williams' repeated disruptions, which were causing chaos in the courtroom. The scene, reminiscent of something from a movie, grabbed headlines and triggered discussions about the delicate balance between maintaining order in the courtroom and ensuring a fair trial for the accused. News reports from various sources, including KKK, 10 TV, and Insider, detailed how Judge Russo took the unprecedented step of gagging Williams to quell his persistent outbursts. This unusual courtroom spectacle prompted broader debates on the challenges faced by judges in controlling disruptive behavior while upholding the principles of a fair and orderly trial. The incident shed light on the intricate dynamics between legal procedures and the necessary preservation of a courtroom environment conducive to justice. The original clip of this dramatic moment became a symbol of the complexities judges encounter in navigating the fine line between maintaining decorum and ensuring a fair judicial process.
Your Honor, I ask today, Your Honor, that I receive the lightest sentence that you can give me.
My son has suffered.
Number 4. Anthony Kirkland. During Anthony Kirkland's sentencing retrial, a pivotal and emotionally charged moment unfolded, leaving a lasting impact on the courtroom. Kirkland, a notorious Ohio serial killer, faced heightened scrutiny during these proceedings, drawing attention from various platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and news reports. The emotional gravity of the retrial was palpable as the court revisited Kirkland's heinous crimes, with a particular focus on his confession regarding the death of Esm Kenny. A significant turning point occurred when the court played a dramatic police interview where Kirkland detailed the chilling aspects of his crimes. This presentation captivated the audience, shedding light on the horrifying events surrounding Esm Kenny's death. The culmination of this courtroom drama occurred with Kirkland's sentencing, ultimately leading to the imposition of the death penalty. The courtroom atmosphere was laden with the weight of Kirkland's actions, and the emotional impact of his confession resonated throughout the proceedings. This legal episode underscored the profound consequences of Kirkland's crimes, affecting not only the victims' families, but also leaving a lasting imprint on the legal system and society at large.
The next verdict form, same exact caption, verdict count 4, with the jury being duly...
Number 3. Jacob Morgan. Jacob Matthew Morgan's courtroom experience in 2016 became a widely scrutinized and emotionally charged affair due to the tragic circumstances surrounding his case. The focal point of the proceedings was Morgan's sentencing to 15 years in prison for initiating a fire that resulted in the death of his 14-month-old stepbrother. The courtroom drama unfolded in York County, where Morgan, visibly distressed, addressed the court after accepting a guilty plea deal. This marked a pivotal and somber moment during the sentencing, as Morgan expressed deep remorse for the devastating consequences of his actions. The emotional gravity of the situation became palpable as he confronted the court, providing a raw and personal dimension to the legal proceedings. The scene of Morgan weeping in court gained significant attention, not just locally but on a global scale. Reports suggest that this emotional display became a focal point of the trial, drawing widespread sympathy and interest. The dramatic moment underscored the profound impact of the tragic incident, shedding light on the emotional toll experienced by both the perpetrator and the family of the victim. While specific details of the courtroom proceedings may vary in different accounts, the overarching theme remains consistent: the severity of the crime and its far-reaching emotional aftermath. Jacob Morgan's case serves as a poignant example of the tragic consequences that can unfold within a courtroom setting, emphasizing the complex interplay of remorse, grief, and legal accountability in the wake of such a devastating event.
A burn pattern that goes from underneath that child towards the door of the bedroom.
Number 2. Damon Kemp. Damon Kemp's courtroom appearance unfolded as a highly charged and dramatic event, drawing widespread attention for its intensity and emotional impact. Kemp, a former Bethune-Cookman University student, faced severe legal consequences for his involvement in the 2018 murders of 2 men in Daytona Beach, Florida. According to court reports, Kemp received a life sentence for the heinous crimes. During the trial, Kemp confronted the weight of the charges and the impending consequences as he faced conviction for the murders. Circuit Judge Leah Case presided over the proceedings and determined a sentencing date. The sentencing guidelines indicated a potential range of 26 years to life in prison for each count, reflecting the gravity of Kemp's actions. The courtroom proceedings likely delved into the harrowing details of the crimes, aiming to underscore the severity of Kemp's involvement in the tragic events of 2018. The legal process provided a platform for the justice system to assess and address the implications of his actions. Notably, Kemp's case gained attention not only due to the gruesome nature of the murders, but also for his dramatic behavior during legal proceedings. Reports indicated that Kemp, who was in a wheelchair, screamed during a bond hearing, injecting an intense and emotional dimension into the courtroom atmosphere. This behavior added to the overall drama of the case and contributed to the public's fascination with the legal proceedings surrounding Damon Kemp's involvement in the deeply distressing events in Daytona Beach. Number 1. Christopher McNabb. The sentencing phase of Christopher McNabb's trial unfolded with intense drama, marking a pivotal moment in legal history. McNabb faced a life without parole sentence for the murder of his 15-day-old daughter, Kalia, adding a layer of emotional gravity to the courtroom proceedings. The atmosphere during the judge's delivery of the verdict was charged with emotion, creating a moment that would be etched in legal history. Various online videos, including a YouTube clip titled "Chris McNabb Sentenced to Life Without Parole," captured the heightened tension within the courtroom during this crucial phase. Spectators and legal professionals alike were on edge as the weight of the sentence became apparent. The intensity of the moment was further emphasized by McNabb's reaction, documented in courtroom footage, widely shared on platforms such as Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. McNabb's emotional response, whether it be shock, defiance, or remorse, became a subject of debate among those who witnessed the trial unfold. The amalgamation of these elements, from the judge's pronouncement to McNabb's captured reaction, solidified this moment as one of the most dramatic in courtroom history. The widespread dissemination of courtroom footage on various online platforms added to the notoriety of the case, creating a lasting impact on public perception of the trial and its emotionally charged conclusion. Would you like it? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channels for more interesting and informative videos.
Guilty of doing something to a 15-day-old baby.